To address the Paloma Tankless water heater error code P1 2025, it is essential to understand the basics of tankless water heaters and error codes. The Paloma Tankless water heater is a popular choice for many homeowners due to its energy efficiency and endless hot water supply. However, like any other appliance, it can experience issues, and the error code P1 2025 indicates a problem with the unit. The error code P1 2025 specifically refers to a faulty or malfunctioning thermistor, which is a temperature sensing device that monitors the water temperature. When the thermistor fails, the unit cannot accurately detect the water temperature, leading to the error code. To troubleshoot the issue, start by checking the thermistor for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the thermistor is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Next, check the wiring connections to ensure they are secure and not loose. Loose connections can cause the thermistor to malfunction, resulting in the error code. If the thermistor and wiring connections are intact, the issue may be with the control board or the water heater's programming. In this case, it is recommended to consult the user manual or contact a professional for assistance. The control board may need to be reset or replaced, and the water heater's programming may need to be updated. To prevent future issues with the Paloma Tankless water heater, it is crucial to perform regular maintenance, such as checking the water filter and cleaning the unit. Additionally, ensuring proper installation and following the manufacturer's instructions can help prevent error codes and extend the lifespan of the appliance. In conclusion, the Paloma Tankless water heater error code P1 2025 indicates a faulty thermistor, and troubleshooting the issue requires checking the thermistor, wiring connections, and control board. By following the steps outlined in this guide and performing regular maintenance, homeowners can resolve the issue and enjoy a reliable and efficient hot water supply.